The term training is a basic concept in human resource development. It is concerned with developing a particular skill to a desired standard by instructions and practices. After an employee is selected, placed and introduced in an organization, he or she must be provided with training facilities so that the individual can perform their job efficiently and effectively. So, the training focuses on providing the employees with specific skills or helping those correct deficiencies in their performance. Therefore, training is a short-term learning process that involves the acquisition of knowledge, sharpening of skills, concepts, rules, or changing of attitudes and behaviors to enhance the performance of the employees. Training has been defined by different scholars of management. Some important definitions of training are as follows. According to Edwin B. Flippo, training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skills of an employee for doing a particular job. And according to Gary Dessler, training is a process of teaching new employees the basic skills they needed to perform their jobs. Therefore, the purpose of training here is to achieve a change in the behavior of those trained to enable them to do their jobs better. It is equally necessary for the new as well as the old employees. Hence, training is a continuous process to bring a positive change in the knowledge, skills, and attitudes of the workers. So, the art, knowledge, and skill to accomplish a specific job in a specific way are called as training. At all the levels of organization, training and development programs are needed in order to make the qualitative improvement in the work of the employees. Defining the training objectives may vary according to the requirements of a particular situations. The first objective of any training program should indicate that at the end of training, whatever the knowledge, skills, and attitudes that have been identified as necessary for the effective performance should be achieved. The second objective is it is a systematic methods which are involved for increasing the new employees' knowledge and developing their skills and also giving a core training of its existing employees. According to McGregor, there are three different purposes for training. The first one is acquiring intellectual knowledge. Second is acquiring manual skills. Third is acquiring problem-solving skills. Now, the first one, acquiring the intellectual knowledge. For instance, an electrical engineer may need more knowledge than he now possesses about a circuit design. A new employee may require knowledge about the company policies. A foreman may require information about the new provisions in the labor agreement. The acquisition of knowledge is a fairly straightforward process provided the individual wants the new knowledge. It can be made available to him in several ways. However, if he doesn't want the knowledge, there is a considerable difficulty getting him to learn it. Especially in the industries, attempts should be made to create a felt need for a new knowledge. The second is the acquiring manual skills. The acquisition of a manual skill requires practice or experience accompanied by the feedback. Pure trial and error method learning can be speeded up by guidance, but the individual cannot learn unless he or she performs and receives the cues which tell him about the success of their efforts. So, the necessary effort will be expended only if there is a felt need on the part of the learner. The last one is acquiring problem-solving skills. Most of the managers' work is problem solving, which includes organizing their own subordinates' activities, planning, and wide range of other decision-making activities. So these are the skills which involves in diagnosing the problems, interpreting the relevant data, assessing the alternative solutions, and getting the feedback concerning the effectiveness of the solutions. So to conclude the concept of training Training is a systematic development of knowledge, skills, and attitudes required by an individual to perform adequately a given task or a job. So, a successful training program improves the performance of an employee, which in turn enhances the organizational performance. Thank you. Have a nice day.